We're going to show our app marketplace, which is an app store to allow developers to submit HTML5 apps. We're going to show a demo of the same app that's running both on a tablet, a desktop, and a phone. And it's the same code, so the advantage for the developers is that they only have to write their app once, but it works great on multiple devices. So if I click on Basecamp here, you can see that the app actually adapted to the screen size of the phone. But the same app running here on the desktop, it's the same app running here. It gets its own dock icon on the Mac, so to the user it feels like a real native application. Similarly, on tablets, if I tap here to launch the Basecamp app, that's also built on HTML5 and JavaScript. So really the big advantage for developers here is that they can write apps once in HTML5 and JavaScript and it'll run great on all devices. And the marketplace is very open. So our marketplace, we're going to release an app store. It'll have its own review processes. But if some reason your app doesn't get accepted at the marketplace, you're still free to host the app at your own website, point users to come in there and submit apps. Or we expect that other companies will set up their own marketplaces for specialized apps or a different category of apps. And you can always feel free to submit your app there, and so you're not tied into any particular. Similarly, for in-app payments on other platforms we see on iOS, on Android, you have to use the inbuilt payment APIs. But since this is just a web app, you can use any payment provider, so you're free to do that. So there's several advantages to building apps using HTML5.